This tutorial will show you how to create a digital signature in Word, which is a good way to give documents an official standing start Word and load the document that you want to add a signature to. Here you can see that we have a letter and we are going to add a signature to the bottom of the page. We are going to want this place in between the close and the name of the sender. Click the mouse to the location and insert a new line. You are now going to need to insert an image of the signature. This is something that is probably best to scan into your computer. Navigate to the insert tab and then click the picture icon navigation to where you can have your signature stored on the computer. So here it is this is my signature, and I will make little bit small. I will make again resize. I have to resize this, and then I will choose the rotate left. I will rotate this and fit into this file. I will manage this and we can give the file. Just click the signature in plain white paper and sign in that paper and just capture that with your mobile or anything else, and then you can import into this laptop and then just importing from that and insert from pictures and paste it here, and you can adjust the and I will adjust this way and you can get your digital signature. So that would be normally sign of a document. With here you can having to reduce its size and little ones. Don't just save the document, and that is how it install a digital signature in Word. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and support me to get more videos like this. Thank you.